Good morning, I'm Sue Spargo and welcome to week 14 of Bits and Pieces. I'm really excited to see how many people are participating in this program, and I've loved the comments on the Facebook group. What I'm liking is that it's sort of a simple project, but using the wool that I absolutely love. And there's so many great properties of wool. One being that it's so breathable, so it makes beautiful, beautiful cozy quilts to snuggle up in, especially in the winter. So hopefully this is going to get done by late winter, and we'll have a new project or a new quilt to be able to cuddle under. So this week we are doing little sort of arrows using half square triangles, and then just cutting the blocks here, which tells you which ones. And the only new color again is just mango that we're using, and the rest of them here are colors from your stash. So make sure that you find them. It's the powder blue, the just peachy, dogwood rose, and the Bordeaux, which is the dark one. So mango is a new addition, and pretty simple to cut. I just thought I would review the half square triangles again. So you're going to start with the two squares, and it'll be the 2 3 3/4 inch squares. You're going to sew them, do a diagonal line, and sew 1/4 inch either side of that, and then you're going to cut them in half, and that'll give you 2 half square triangles here in the same color. So you're going to press it open, and remember to use your strip stick, a little bit of flatter, and steam it really flat like that, so that it's really nice and flat. And then you're going to size these up to 3 inches each. Let me double check. Trim to 3 inches, and then you'll have these 2 squares here. And then you're going to sew these 2 together, and then the 3 of these together, and then put this part and that part together. So you'll have these 3 little arrow blocks if you're doing 3 or just 1. So what I decided to do was use our triangles again. And what I loved is how it changes what the block looks like. So here I just sort of echoed the triangle, and this is what I'm using, number 3 EZM 31. And here I use, so this one, just so you know, is the 1 3/4 inch triangle right here, and then these are the 1 inch triangles. I did 2 of them there. And then this one is the 2.5, and then I just did a straight line down the center. And then here I used the 1 3/4, and I did sort of like a pinwheel. And it's interesting to me how that changes the whole block. It doesn't look like an arrow following it as much as it breaks up the design. So that's sort of a fun way with the stitching to break them up, so that they, as we put them all together, then they will look different. So have fun with these, and post your pictures in the Facebook group, and I will see you back for week 15 next week.